Hey everyone, welcome to Fact versus Fiction, the Factfinity and Beyond Edition, where we dive deep into some of the most intriguing myths and separate the fascinating facts from the wild fictions. I am your space guide, Fab, and today we are blasting off into the vast and mysterious realm of space. Let's see if these questions can challenge your celestial smarts. Are you ready to play? Space has always fascinated humanity, inspiring countless myths and legends. But how much of what we know about space is fact, and how much is pure fiction? Are you a master of the universe or just a space cadet? Strap in and let's find out with our top 10 space conundrums. Number 1. Space is completely silent. Fact or fiction? All right, space whizzes, here's your first stumper. Is space a silent symphony? It's a fact. Space is the ultimate silent disco, with no air for sound to hitch a ride on. It's quieter than a library on the moon. Remember, sound waves need a cosmic ticket, air or water, to travel, and space left those at home. Number 2, the moon has a dark side. Fact or fiction? Next up, does the moon have a dark side? It's pure fiction. The moon's got a far side that's sun-kissed too. It's not dark, it's just playing hard to get, hiding from Earth's view. It is only dark to us, as that hemisphere can never be viewed from Earth due to a phenomenon known as tidal locking. A better term for the side we don't see is the far side, rather than the dark side, which leads to all kinds of misconceptions. Number 3, humans explode in space without a spacesuit. Fact or fiction? Here's a cosmic curveball. Do humans go kaboom in space without their suits? Total fiction. Well, you won't pop like a balloon, but it's still a spacesuit or game over, folks. In the vacuum of space, a person would lose consciousness in about 15 seconds due to lack of oxygen and eventually die from asphyxiation or decompression, but not explode. Number 4, there is no gravity in space. Fact or fiction? All right, brainiacs, is gravity on a space vacation? Fiction. Gravity's everywhere, even in space. It's just playing hide and seek with astronauts in orbit. Astronauts in orbit experience microgravity because they are in free fall around Earth, not because there's no gravity. Number 5, the sun is yellow. Fact or fiction? Is our sun really rocking yellow shades? Fiction. The sun's a white-hot fashionista in the space runway. Earth's atmosphere is just its yellow filter. The sun emits light across the spectrum, and in space it appears as its true color, white. Number 6. You can see the Great Wall of China from space. Fact or fiction? Can you spot the Great Wall of China from the final frontier? Fiction. The Great Wall is playing a stellar game of hide and seek. Even our eagle-eyed astronauts need a cosmic magnifying glass to catch a glimpse. From low Earth orbit, you can see many features, but the Great Wall isn't one of them due to its narrow width and similarity in color to the surrounding terrain. Number 7. Space is cold. Fact or fiction? Is space the ultimate winter wonderland? Well, it's a fact. Space is the king of cold, but only for objects away from the sun's warm embrace. In the shadow of a planet or spacecraft, temperatures can plummet to hundreds of degrees below freezing, while direct sunlight can heat objects to scorching levels. Number 8. Black holes suck everything in. Fact or fiction? Do black holes have an insatiable cosmic appetite? Fiction. Black holes aren't cosmic vacuums. They've got a strong gravitational handshake, but they respect your personal space unless you're too clingy. Objects need to be within the event horizon to be pulled in. Outside that, they orbit just like around any massive object. Number 9. Spacecrafts can travel faster than light. Fact or fiction? Can our spacecraft out-zoom the speed of light? Fiction. The cosmic speed limit signs all read CE, and that's the speed of light, folks. No speeding tickets in space. Einstein's theory of relativity sets the speed of light as the ultimate speed limit in the universe. Number 10. The universe is infinite. Fact or fiction? Is the universe stretching out to infinity and beyond? Well, for this one, the jury's still out. The universe is vast and getting roomier, but infinity is one number we haven't dialed yet. Current observations suggest that the universe is expanding, but whether it's infinite in size remains an open question. And that's a wrap, space fans. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Fact versus Fiction. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure with us. Drop a comment below to let us know how many you got right. Which space fact blew your mind the most? See you next time. Keep dreaming and keep exploring.